The benefits of VR span various industries, from entertainment to education, healthcare, and beyond. Here are some of the key advantages. 1. Enhanced learning and training simulations for training. VR provides a safe, controlled environment where users can practice skills or learn by doing. For example, surgeons can rehearse operations, pilots can practice flying, or soldiers can train for combat scenarios without real-world risks. Immersive education. For learners, VR can make abstract or difficult concepts more tangible. It can bring historical events to life, allow virtual field trips, or facilitate complex scientific visualizations. 2. Improved healthcare solutions. Therapeutic uses. VR is used in therapy for treating mental health conditions such as PTSD, anxiety, and phobias by exposing patients to controlled environments through virtual exposure therapy. Surgical planning and training. Surgeons can use VR simulations to plan procedures and practice delicate operations, reducing the margin of error in real-life surgeries. 3. Enhanced design and prototyping. Architectural visualization. Architects and designers can create virtual models of buildings, allowing clients to walk through a building before it's constructed. Product design. Automotive and industrial designers use VR to prototype products, allowing engineers and designers to visualize and test designs in a virtual space before building physical models. 4. Entertainment and gaming. Immersive gaming. VR gaming offers an experience far beyond traditional gaming, allowing players to be fully immersed in virtual worlds, interacting with them as if they were real. Virtual concerts and events. VR can bring people together for virtual concerts, sports events, and other live performances, offering an immersive experience from anywhere in the world. 5. Social interaction and collaboration. Virtual meetings and social spaces. With VR meeting platforms, people can collaborate remotely in a shared virtual space rather than through traditional video conferencing. This is especially useful for remote workers and teams spread across various locations. Social VR. Applications like VR Chat allow users to meet and interact socially in virtual spaces, representing themselves with avatars and exploring virtual worlds together. 6. Rehabilitation and physical therapy. Rehabilitation programs. VR is used in physical therapy to help patients recover motor skills through interactive exercises in virtual environments. Pain management. VR can be used to distract patients from pain, particularly in burn victims or those undergoing painful procedures. 7. Travel and exploration. Virtual tourism. VR allows people to experience destinations around the world without leaving their homes. You can explore famous landmarks, natural wonders, or even fictional worlds. Cultural and historical exploration. Museums and historical sites use VR to let people explore exhibitions or experience historical events in a more engaging and interactive way.